Hello everyone, welcome to BOSJOB YouTube channel. In this video, we will quickly introduce you 4 key features of the C-Series AC/DC TIG welder. If you are a beginner, you can watch this video to know how to connect the power, gas, torch or cooler. Now, let's turn on the machine. You will notice the software version displayed on the screen. The latest software version of September 2024 is 03. Let's begin with DC Micro TIG welding, which is good for stainless steel or titanium. You can select single point Micro TIG welding mode and use the foot switch instead of the torch switch. This operation can avoid torch vibration, change the distance between the tungsten tip and base material. The key settings are welding current and welding time. You can use high current like 200 amp with a short welding time like 10 to 20 milliseconds. It can help you get bright, precise welds with minimal heat input and distortion. Keep the tungsten sharp, vertical and close to the workpiece will give you the best result. You can also try continuous micro TIG welding by adding a half-second interval time. If the gap is too big, use filler wire. Ignite the arc slightly ahead of the wire, not directly above the wire. For more tips, you can check out our other videos. Next up is AC Micro TIG welding. Switch the AC welding mode in the function bar, turning the knob from off to on. In AC mode, you will have 2 new parameters, AC frequency and AC balance. For more information about those 2 parameters, you can check out our other videos. If you have no idea how to adjust, just set your AC frequency to 80 Hz and AC balance to 35%. Aluminum alloy normally needs more welding time than stainless steel because of the oxide layer. When you complete the first welding spot, you can aim at half radius for the first spot, so that even if the welding spot has a small crater, you can cover the crater by this operation. The AC Micro TIG welding mode is especially suitable for thin aluminum or aluminum workpiece assembly. Let's talk about some hiding functions. The letters CP stand for CPU program. You will see some special functions after you activate it. First thing is the AC Direct Bond Welding Mode, displayed as DB1. This feature can help you weld aluminum without filler. Perfect for beginners. Just focus on getting a clean, shining welding pool before you move the torch. The machine's custom output waveform creates a fish scale welding bit and no need filler wire. Just make sure your AC balance is set above 40% and use a high enough current to avoid hot crack. Since aluminum is highly conductive, you will need to speed up the torch movement as you go to prevent welding pool sagging. We also recommend setting a downslope time to gradually reduce the current as you approach the end of the weld. It will keep the weld tail neat and smooth. For corner joint, you can use the easy feeding method. Start with AC Direct Bond Welding Mode, get a clean welding pool, and simply feed the filler rod into the pool without moving it. Just move the torch and finish all the work. In CP mode, you will also find HF1 for high frequency arc ignition stick welding mode. You can use a foot switch or add a torch switch on your electrode holder. Make sure the stick core can direct touch the metal base and not covered by the coating. Now you can control the welding time by the torch switch or foot switch, and no need any scratch or strike for the arc stop. This function gives you precise control over where you start and stop. It makes it easier to create that beautiful fish scale welding bead on thin steel sheet. If your rods are damp and won't start easily, try intentionally short circuit them until you see some smoke. This operation will help you remove the water. Let's check another CP function. You can rotate the knob, and when the display shows BC1, it means you have turned on the welding bead cleaning mode. In this mode, you can adjust the output current to get different output power. When you're facing deep dark or back of the welding bead, you can press the torch switch or foot pedal to enable the turbo clean function. Special waveforms can help you get stronger cleaning effect. When you turn on the turbo clean function, the BC1 lettering will flash. The cleaning area will turn black, but don't worry. Release the torch switch and continue cleaning for a while. The weld bead will quickly return to silver bright. You can purchase this optional carbon fiber brush torch for cleaning. If you have more advanced needs, you can also select the more advanced LS01 liquid supplier and the liquid supply torch. The torch has two switches. Switch number 1 can be pressed to supply the cleaning liquid. No need to repeatedly dip the liquid. Switch number 2 can enable the turbo clean function. The LS01 liquid supplier has two tanks. You can fill one tank with cleaning liquid and one other with water. After cleaning, you can switch to water tank and press the switch number 2 to clean the internal water pump, pipes, cleaning torch, and brush. This operation can extend the service life of the entire system. For more information about BOSJOB C-Series AC/DC TIG, please follow our YouTube channel or contact with us. See you next time. Bye bye.